Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
I would anticipate homeowners are contemplating window replacements. Noise, we've already talked about, could be a big one. If they've moved into a neighborhood that maybe is a little bit closer to the interstate or the highway or a busy thoroughfare than they thought it was going to be, and they're listening to that traffic, the sirens and whatnot. And now with all the loud exhaust systems that everybody's got on their cars,
or the garage band next door with the dog.
Band next door. So acoustics can be one reason. Energy efficiency is another. I tell people all the time, you sit down in this room, and as the sun arcs across the sky, you literally have to move from chair to chair to chair to stay comfortable.
You can suntan behind the old windows.
We can solve that with good windows.
Absolutely. The touch of the glass, that versus the dust that's coming in versus the sound. Typically, when we do a window replacement job in the middle of the summer and a homeowner does a portion of windows for whatever reason, they usually call us back within a week or two, and they figure out how to get the rest of their windows done. You have no clue what you're missing until you see a side-by-side comparison of energy efficiency, and that is actually something that we have. So we have glass samples with a heat source, and you can check many different glass manufacturing companies, and you can feel the instant heat reduction right then and there.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.